We showed up, we realized there's a car show going on.
Chopped 6 inches, channeled 4, and we cut 3 inches off the entire bottom of the car.
Oh, wow.
Homemade frame.
So you're a welder?
No, I'm an electrician. I had a buddy, he was helping me do a lot of it. So he had the vision, he had a lot of stuff, and we call this the bar napkin design.
Bar napkin, I like that.
It's a cantilever system that lifts the frame up off the ground. Otherwise, I set it down, the frame is actually on the ground.
So those are the bags, yeah?
Yes, this is a 6.0 LS.
How long did this take you to create?
It took 3 years. Did a show, and someone just walked up to me and said, hey, could you put this on the car somewhere? We'd like to see it on the car. So I made it into the air cleaner holder.
Now,
it's real tight.
That's a metal seat. Like,
Yes.
why not put in a cushion?
That's what God gave me. So I'm gonna use that.
I respect that.
Yeah. Mother Nature made all this, and I was gonna paint it.
Yeah.
But the one more I worked on it, I said I'm gonna leave it. I can take the top off. That's the gas tank here. I used to have some old taillights that stick out from Model A, but these seem to fit a lot better, so I mounted them on there. My dad had a 29 Model A. He passed away while I was, envisioning this. He never got to see it finished, so
That's cool, man.
I had to get it done. But he sees it, he knows. Right on. Yeah.
This was built for me, man.
Now when
Perfect size.
I just slouch all the way forward, scoot your butt all the way forward.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's the
Actually comfortable.
Yeah.
All right, now lean your butt forward. Yeah, scoot your butt forward and lean back.
Gotta lean into
He
that
said
to
that's
be
the
able
spot.
You guys heard the band Clutch?
Yeah.
Jesus on the dashboard?
Oh, yeah, hell yeah. That's cool.
Get out. Oh, well, stuck. He's stuck. All original body, all original frame. No fiberglass, custom order, none of that.
No fiberglass, all original, all steel. It's got a LS3 connected cruise engine,
Okay.
430 horsepower. Yeah, everything's been smooth, no door handles, no rain gutters, no emblems, no nothing. Everything's
Wow.
nice and smooth. It's original. As far as the paint is just a stock Dodge Charger
Orange.
color.
Okay.
It just got finished in March, so it's all the wires are hidden underneath the seat. The stereo's hidden. So
Have you been taking it to shows?
this is only the second one.
Okay.
It's oak wood. Yeah, they came up with the color, and it's done underneath the same as it is on top.
Next ticket number 734.
It's got the whole frame's powder coated, and the exhaust from front to back is ceramic coated.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's no door handle, right? So he actually just pushes a button on a key fob and it pops open. And then if you look at this lower part of where the air conditioning's coming out, that's an exhaust pipe. So the dash usually ends right here. And they welded an exhaust pipe underneath that dash and then put 2 extra holes in the middle.
Yeah.
So you got the exhaust hole on the end, and then 2 in the middle, and that's just an exhaust pipe taking stuff in. Yeah, very cool custom fan. Should I try to hop in?
Yeah, do it. And just be like, all right, guys, that was fucking crazy out there.
Hey, dude, that was fun. That was a lot more fun than I thought today was going to be. I mean, we were down here on behalf of a client anyways, so to get some extra footage for our channel was nice. It was great to hang out with Walt today. And that's a wrap. But how many people in that car show can do this? Hold on, I gotta get my keys. I should have had my keys ready.
All right, we gotta do it again.
We'll just edit that.
I know, yeah.
We'll just edit that part where I do have to go.